All right, hi, good evening. All right, let's hope that my voice is loud enough. Let's see. All right, no, I don't want that color. I want this. And yeah, so let's see. All right, so we have 3 right there. And we have 2 right there, right? And so what we will have is, we'll have what? 3 times 2, both of them in centimeters, right? Oh, you see why I don't do anything? The background is black, so I need to, all right, CM. Yeah. So then, of course, our first answer is very easy, right? So, our first answer is going to be 6 centimeters squared, right? So therefore, our answer is going to be B, right there. So that one obviously fairly straightforward, right? So let me hold on a little scroll, right? Now the area of the shaded region. Now let's talk about what's actually happening, right? What is happening now is this, right? This region here is a region that, if we look at it carefully, we realize that that is the piece that is left, right? So this piece gets cut out, and this is the piece that's left. So the area of the rectangle in here is 2 times 1, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to have 4 times 7. That's going to be 28, right? So therefore, we'll have 28 minus 2, and that's going to be in centimeters squared, yeah? So our answer is going to be, well, it's going to be 26 right here, yeah? So we're done with that. Let's see what else. Okay, this one now. I think this was the one where all right, let's see if I can draw my line. All right. So I'm going to draw a line here, right? Now what we need to understand is from here to, oh wow, that's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be like. All right. All right, yeah, that's just as ridiculous too. All right, never mind. So from here to here now, right? This portion here, hold on there. This portion here and this portion here should be equal to 4. So 4 minus 2, this portion here is going to be 2 as well, right? Therefore, if the length of that line is 2, then the length of this line will also be 2, right? Right? So therefore, let me see if I can draw like a dotted line or something like that. Or, you know what, never mind. Let's just do this. So, no. Okay, let me do it again. There we go. Oh, I thought it was going to disappear. Oh, okay. Okay, let's try the disappearing ink again, right? So from here to here is 2, right? So therefore, the area of this piece, the area of that little region right there, is going to be 2, right? So that little portion right there is going to be 2. No. The other rectangle, no. This one right here, right? This rectangle right here, the area of this rectangle is 2 times 3. right? So we have to focus on what that rectangle looks like. So 2 times 3, that rectangle is going to be 6. And so the area is going to be 2 plus 6, hence why the answer is going to be, well, sorry about that. It's going to be B, right? All right. So to do this one here, right? Finding the value of 60 squared minus 50 squared. So let's try that and see what that looks like. So we have 60 times 60, which is the same as 6 times 10 times 6 times 10. 10 times 10, that's going to be 100. And the 6 times 6 is going to be 36. Therefore, if we rub that out, our answer is 3,600, right? If we do the same thing for 5 times 5, well, we're going to have what? We're going to have 25. So therefore, what we're going to have is going to have 3,600 minus 2,500, resulting in 3 minus 2 is 1, 6 minus 5 is 1, and hence that's what we have right here, right? So that tackles this page. Let's see if we can do the other one. Okay, so let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, now to do number 5 and to understand it, we're going to say that 35p is equivalent to 70 empty bottles, right? So if we do the maths on this, if I divide this by 35 and this by 35, it means that every 1 pencil results in 2 empty bottles. Let me erase this, erase that, erase this, erase this. Let me write 1p is equal to, yeah, 2b. Then if 1p is equal to that, how many pencils can we get from the 80 bottles? Right? Now, my little technique for this is called the box on the left, box on the right. Yeah? Now, when the box is on the left, we're actually going to divide. So what we're going to do is we're going to divide that by 2. And we're going to divide that by 2. Therefore, 80 divided by 2, the answer is going to be 40p, right? So therefore, our answer is right there. Yeah? So I should be taking screenshots to be fair. I really should do that. It's a habit of mine. So let's see if I can continue that. All right, so we're done with number 5, right? Done with number 5. So let's go to number 6, which is not too difficult, right? What we're going to do is we're going to add these 3, right? So all that is happening here is we have 4.5, 1 1/3, and 2/3. So 2/3 plus 1/3 will be 3/3. 1 and 3/3, don't it? So let me try to use my eraser here. So we're going to have 1 and 3/3. But 3/3 is 1. So 1 plus 1 is going to be 2. Right? So therefore, we're going to have 4.5 plus 2. So our answer for that must be, it must be this, right? It must be 6.5, right? So that's our answer right here, yeah? So we're done with that. All right, so let's move to number 7. Oh, yeah, and number 8. All right. I wanted the number 8 because there's a challenge to it. So 1/3. If we were to divide 1 by 3, right? Look at the number you would get, right? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and so on, right? Now, let us do this. 1 is smaller than all of the numbers there. If I go into a store and the cheapest item is $3, my $1 can't buy nothing, so I put 0 up there. I move on to this, forget about the decimal point, that number looks like 10. 10 is bigger than 3, 6, and 9. Therefore, we'll have 3 ticks, we'll put 3 right there. Now, 9 plus 1 gives us 10. 10 minus 9 is 1, so we'll put 1 right there. We will also realize that this is 10 once again. 1, 2, 3. Therefore, we'll put 3 up there again. So obviously, this is going to give us 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, right? Therefore, 1 divided by 3 cannot match what is happening here. So A cannot be our answer at all, right? Can't be our answer at all, right? So we're going to try this with something else. We could even do 6 divided by 12. All right. So let's change it. Let's put 6 in here and 12 on the outside, right? Here's 6, here's 12. 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84. Now I could go further, but let's see what happens, right? All right, so 6 smaller than everything else, so you put 0 there. Now we're at 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's the 60. So we put 5 right there, and therefore 0.5 is the same as what? 50%, right? If we were to jump 2 times from this, we'd end up with the number 50, resulting in 50%. Therefore, this cannot be the answer either, right? So A and B, yeah, we can't use A or B. I'm just going by doing them one by one. Let us divide 3 by 5. So that means the 3 goes in here and the 5 go on the outside. All right, let's do that. Where is it? 3 here, 5 here, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Yeah. Wait, let me look for the different color there. All right, good. All right. So 3 is smaller than 5 and everything. So we'll move to the 3, 0, which is 30. 30 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll go put 6 right there. And that's it. All right. So therefore, if we were to follow suit, this would be 60%. So again, all of those 3 answers would be wrong. Now let's see what happens when we divide 2 by 3. So what happens when we divide 2 by 3? So we're going to put 2 on the inside and 3 on the out, right? Three here. 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Right? With the 2 on the inside there. All right. So now 0 there, so 2, 0, begin on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, hold on. Give me 1 second. Hold on. Yeah. All right, so we have 6, so we're going to put 6 there. 18 plus 2, that gives us 20. So now 20 is bigger than what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to have another 6 again. Now watch the joke. 18 plus 2 give us 20, right? 18 plus 2 give us 20. This right here is our remainder. That means our answer here is 0.66 and 2/3, right? So we're going to put that 2 over the 3. So if we jump 2 times here, we have 66%, and we also have 2/3. This has to be our answer, right? Definitely have to be this one, right? So yeah. That take care of this one. All right, so let me go back to number 7 now. So for number 7, we have 12 divided by 60. Now, the thing that I enjoy about reducing fractions is that when you know your prime numbers, it's very easy to figure out what's what, right? So watch this now. The prime numbers of 12 is going to be 2 by 2 by 3, whereas 60 is going to be 2 by 2 by 3 by 5. Right? And of course, what is the HCF? 2 by 2 by 3, and another 2 by 2 by 3. So if we draw a line through those, this divided by this give you 1. So we're going to put 1 up here, don't it? We'll put 1 up there. So therefore, our answer is going to be 1 over 5. Right? So therefore, it cannot be A, cannot be C, cannot be D. Our answer is 1 over 5. Right? So I'll try not to make this video too long. So I'm going to stop here and go to the next page.